Compaction of concrete by pressure and jolting. Compaction of concrete by pressure and jolting is commonly used for compacting hollow blocks, cavity blocks and solid blocks. This is the best effective method of compacting very dry concrete. The dry concrete is vibrated, pressed and provided jolts. The frequency of jolt of 100 to 150 jolts per minute is provided. With the combined action of the jolts, vibrations and pressure, the dry concrete gets compacted to a dense form to give good strength and volume stability. By adopting this technique, a concrete with very low water-cement ratio can be compacted to obtain the required strength. Thank you for watching. Stay curious. Kindly do like, share, comment your views and finally don't forget to subscribe our channel.